In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to restore a deleted Figma file. If you've removed work or need to roll back a file to an earlier state, Figma's version history makes recovery straightforward. We'll move through the interface together so you can confidently bring your design back without guesswork. Start in the file you want to recover. Click the Figma icon in the top left corner of the window to open the main menu. This reveals all of the file level options you'll need. Hover over the File menu to expand its choices. Then choose Show Version History. Figma opens a timeline view that lists saved snapshots of your file, typically created automatically, as you and collaborators make changes. You'll see timestamps and, in many cases, who made the edits so you can quickly orient yourself. At the top of the version history panel, click the Filter icon. Filters are helpful when a project has a long edit trail and multiple people contributing. From the filter options, click Only Yours. This narrows the list to versions that include your changes, making it easier to locate the point before something important was deleted or altered. It's a simple way to reduce noise while you search. Now browse the versions and select the one you want. Clicking a version shows you a read-only preview of how the canvas looked at that moment. Take a moment to pan around and confirm keyframes, components, and copy are present and correct. The timestamp can help you match it to when the design last looked right. When you've found the correct snapshot, click the three dots next to that version to open its Actions menu. This menu controls what you can do with that specific point in time. Choose Restore this version. Figma will promote that snapshot to become the current state of your file. Your existing work isn't lost. The restore itself is saved as a new entry in the history, so you can move forward or back again later if needed. Give the file a moment to update, then continue working as usual. That's all there is to it. By opening the menu, viewing version history, filtering to Only Yours, selecting the right snapshot, and restoring it, you can quickly recover a file after accidental deletions. Keep this process in mind whenever you want to confidently revert changes and get back to designing.